Banner's 30mm mount Illuminated Emergency Stop buttons are easy to install and hook up with no assembly, individual wiring, or additional enclosures required. The 30mm threaded mount enables a quick installation process. The robust all-in-one housing is ready to install out of the box, eliminating labor-intensive assembly and wiring. The E-Stop button has a unique 360-degree round housing. This IP65 rated housing fully encloses the E-Stop and has the required red button and yellow background to meet worldwide safety standards. The Illuminated E-Stop enclosure provides indication of an armed button, an actuated button, and an optional system status for visual emergency stop indication. The E-Stop's bright red flashing LEDs visibly alert operators that an E-Stop has been pushed. When multiple E-Stops are linked together, the illumination logic provides clear and easy identification of an actuated button. For more information on the 30mm mount Illuminated Emergency Stop button, or for other E-Stop and stop control solutions, go to bannerengineering.com/E-Stop or call 1-888-3-SENSOR.